We've been trading for about 20 years now. We are very much specialist installers. So the average installation time for a kitchen, probably around about 3 weeks long from start to finish. I guess you don't really as a consumer. A lot of faith is to be sort of handed over to that chosen firm. So it's our job to offer that consumer a mixture of products and brands that we are happy with and that we know work well and do the job. So it's a single oven aperture, but it's split into 2 levels so that you can cook at 2 different temperatures within the confines of a single oven. So if you've got a small kitchen, you can't fit a double oven in, or 2 ovens, or a range cooker, it allows that flexibility to cook different foods at different temperatures at the same time. NBK offers 2 different guarantees. So you've got the installation guarantee, which is 3 years, and then you've got product guarantees, which some of them are lifetime. So quartz worktops will be guaranteed for lifetime, which is sort of in excess of 15 years, and appliances sometimes up to 5 years. We really pride ourselves on our online reviews. Our Google reviews are some of the highest rating reviews for an independent company in Norfolk. And finally is the opportunity to go and view a finished kitchen. We won't be there, you would go round independently and see the results for yourself, because it's all well and good looking in the showroom, it's all well and good looking at Google reviews, but actually to see it firsthand in somebody's home where that client can explain how we worked really does work very well for us.